popping in to do a really quick review of the Garvee air conditioning unit. This is a single unit. It has a touch face interface on top, and then it's also going to come with all of the things that you see here. You've got the adapter that goes in the window. You've got the adapter that attaches to the back of the unit. You have the hose. This is accordion style, so it will kind of expand. You can just kind of open this up and make it as long as you want to. It also comes with some of the screws and things that you're going to need to go ahead and tighten that down. This is the window piece that goes in your window. I love this unit because it not only can go in a normal single hung window, but you can also put it this way like it was in a slider. So that's really nice. It also comes with the drain hose that you need. It comes with a remote, so you don't have to get up to adjust the air conditioner. And then it also comes with a really great quick start guide and a how-to guide. Again, this is a portable air conditioner that you can move around if you want to. It sets on the floor. Something I really love about it is it has nice wheels on it and it will move all over. It can turn and do like 360. It can go straight. Very easy to move if you have like limited mobility, or you just need something that's very easy to move around on the floor. I love how easy it is. So let's go ahead and get this fired up and we'll see how it works. To get set up, your first step is going to be to slide this right on the back. Very easy to do, just like that. So this is on the back of the unit. This will adapt to the larger exhaust hose. All right, I now have this set up. You can see all I had to do was put the adapter on the back, and then the hose, I went ahead and expanded it. And then we have a slider, and you can see this guy fits perfectly in there. We have it running. It is pretty quiet. You can hear the fan running. You can feel all the cold air coming out. I do like that it has this option where you can kind of tilt the fins if you want the air to go down or up. In order to change the temperature, you can hit the down button and turn it down lower, or you can raise it if you want to. This will automatically, when the temperature gets up to the temperature in your home, it will automatically shut off. So you're just telling it what temperature you want the room to be at, and so when it registers that it's at that temperature, it will shut off automatically, so that is really nice. You can also, right now we have it in low, the fan, but you can turn it up and it'll blow even higher. You also have a timer that you can set if you choose to. You have the auto swing function. And what that will do is you're going to notice that these are going to turn automatically, these fins. So see how they're turning right now? So that is a really nice option if you want, the air to kind of pan over the room automatically. So I love that feature. So you can turn that on or off. You have a sleep timer, so that will, just kind of automatically set it to shut off on its own. Then you have some other options here where you can actually just have it on dry or fan alone. If you want the air conditioning on, you're going to get it on cool. And then you have a full indicator, so this will automatically shut off when the water reservoir fills up on its own. So it's nice that it does that. It'll sound like a little beep. It'll tell you that it's full and it will shut off. Let's go ahead and turn that off. On the side, you'll notice that there is a water reservoir here, and there is another plug down here at the very bottom. And the way that these work, it comes with the tube. You're going to want to use that when you are draining it. This option here is if you want to continuously drain. So you can actually plug this in, and then the other end could go into a drain if you had a drain in your floor. You can also have it in a bucket or whatever you're collecting your condensation in, but you have the option to just continuously drain here, or that liquid will go in the reservoir inside, and then you have this rubber stopper here at the bottom. So when your unit is full, what you'll do is pull this out and you can drain it into, a reservoir that way. Typically what I do is I just roll it into the shower and dump it in the shower. This unit also has two different filters. So you can see there's a filter here, and then there's another filter down here. These can easily be removed. They just pop back in, but you'll see there's like a mesh screen on here that is very easy to just wash and wipe off, and you also again have another one up here. So these are very easy to clean. You can just clean these periodically to make sure that the unit is working efficiently. All right, so I've popped that back in there. Pretty easy to do. Didn't have an issue with that. So overall, pretty great unit. I do like that it comes with a remote, so you can turn it on. You have the option with the remote to turn it up or down. You can adjust the fan high or low. You can change the mode with this one, fan, cool, or dry. You have your sleep timer here if you want to have that. And then you have your oscillate button. So you can see that this is oscillating now again. So overall, pretty awesome product. If you're in the market for just a portable air conditioner that's going to go ahead and just work really well for you, I definitely recommend this. It's very easy to kind of move around your house. If you don't have central air or anything like that, this is just a really great way to cool things down. Here are some of the specs for you in case you're wondering any of those nitty-gritty details like that. But overall, very happy with this. We are really looking forward to using it actually in our pole barn because we do not have air conditioning there. Again, as you can see, works in the window. Fantastic. We have a slider here that you can see I have that installed in. When you install this in your window, you actually get a second panel like this to extend if your window is larger, and you can actually cut this to size. So if you need to, you can cut this to size for your window. It's pretty long. So you can see, here's my arm. It's rather long, so you have a lot of options. This will fit a really big window if you need it to. If this is a product that you are considering, I do recommend it. It's something that the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. Hopefully I've helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not, but overall we're really enjoying it and I think it's going to work great.